welcome to Polymer Clay Therapy. I'm going to be sharing with you in this quick video how I use one of the softest polymer clays to make all my little figurines. So I'm using original SCULPEY white polymer clay, and I've taken the amount that I need and I've conditioned and coloured it while it's nice and soft, and then I've added a tiny amount of a polymer clay firming powder which makes it much firmer and easier to work with. So the clay I'm using for our little snowman here, each colour took me less than 5 minutes to have it conditioned, coloured, firm and ready to use. So instead of trying to condition and soften a firm polymer clay, it's just doing it the other way around, just by using a really soft polymer clay and then making it firmer. So by doing it this way around, I save myself a lot of time, a lot of effort, and I'm also saving almost 50% on the cost of my polymer clays. But another great thing about this clay is you don't get everything in the universe sticking to it. So it also saves me a lot of time and stress on having to clean up my work before and after baking. So just by wiping it with a wet wipe, it will remove most of the surface dirt and fingerprints too. And it really is so easy to work with. So the purpose of this short video is just to see the clay at work. And if you would like to know how I've been using this method for the last 3 years to make all my little figurines, everything you need to know is available on our YouTube channel at Polymer Clay Therapy. If you do have any questions, please pop them in the comments and give us a thumbs up if you do like the content of our video. And because this is a new product to Polymer Clay, we are doing our best to get as many videos made and uploaded to our channel Polymer Clay Therapy as quickly as we can. So our little snowman's almost finished now. He was really easy to make. He's still lovely on white. He doesn't have any fingerprints, so he's not going to need cleaning at all. So I'm just going to finish off his little rosy cheeks, and then I'll pop him in the oven and bring him back when he's all cooled down, and we'll have a good look at him. So we'll be right back. Hi, so I'm back with our little snowman. He turned out really nice. He's really smooth, really clean. I haven't done anything but make him and bake him, so I'm quite happy with him. But I did want to just show you very quickly, this is some clay left over from the little snowman, and another great thing about this clay is you don't get colour transfer. You will need to use Bacon Bond when you're attaching pieces together, and for those that don't know, that's a bakeable glue. Yeah, but that's another thumbs up from me. So thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you again soon. So bye for now. Bye.